If something is in the way during the automated landing, you can take over and land manually. By pressing pause during landing, you cause the drone to stop mid-air and hold its position while it is waiting for your next commands. With the right side buttons, you can command the WingtraOne to move forward, backward, right, and left. With the left side buttons, you can command the drone to move up and down, or to turn around its axis. To land the drone, press down with the left button. Or you can also press the Land on the Spot button. This will make the drone land automatically.